President Bola Tinubu said when he was governor of Lagos State, he has said this many times, that you frustrated his attempts at revenue and actually inspired him to now begin to generate revenue internally, that you wanted to cripple Lagos State. And
no, that's absolute nonsense.
Right.
No. I go by constitution.
Right.
The Constitution of Nigeria, which is also enshrined, recognized local governments. And then for me to release funds to local government, it has to be on the basis of 20 local governments. When you then add, is it 37 or 27, whatever, to that, for me to be able to act constitutionally, the Constitution of Nigeria had to change. For as long as that Constitution did not change, then acting along not 20 local government, but 57 local government is unconstitutional.
Right.
So if he doesn't know that, then he doesn't know anything.
Right. But what do you say to that charge?
So is it that one that make him to have alpha, beta? Huh?
Right. So on the charge,
did you answer that?
Yes, it's a question for him to answer. Sir. Okay, it's a question for President Tinubu to answer about alpha beta. But I mean, you mentioned alpha beta with our new president. You were very.
It's because you said he then went to look for alternative funding.
Yes.
So alternative funding for whom? For the state or for himself? Or for the state and himself. So that's why I dropped that. It's because you bring it up.
Yes. Do you
because
think
I don't talk about the private life except I take the character. But character matters to me.
Yes. You obviously think he's not a person of good character, and you said that in your letter. He's now our president. Do you still think that? And do you think he will succeed?
No, I won't comment on that.
Right. But you just mentioned, because you mentioned his character, that's why I wanted to ask the question. Do you still stand by what you said in the letter about his character?
No, you go and read.
Yeah, okay.
Read what I have written in my letters or